Today we're gonna hatch 1 million chickens in this game that is called Egg Farm, I think.
No.
Hatch an egg? No.
Chicken farm.
Oh, chicken farm. Sorry. Oh, I got a golden chicken.
I know. And I'm here, as you can.
Oh, yeah. My friend is here again. I don't know why he's here every time. He just wants to be. I'm sorry I haven't uploaded in a while. I don't know what I have. My friend has been on a vacation in 2 weeks.
Yeah, I took some days off.
Yeah. Wait, oh. And my friend is in here.
But now I'm back.
Oh, they have 300 chickens. Wait. Oh, yeah, played this game.
I have 2 rebirths.
I have 0. I haven't even rebirthed once.
You have 1. What the hell?
But you start with 1 rebirth. You are a rebirth 1. Ooh. Merge my chicken. I got a ducky.
Oh, it's the highest egg multiplier.
I can't even see egg
It ain't
multiplier.
No, it's because you started. But yeah, what the? It doesn't work for you in the beginning.
Oh, I don't. Why?
I don't know. It's weird.
Yeah.
Oh no, no, yes.
Huh?
No, egg multiplier dropped to 138.
Yeah. Vänta. Wait. Yeah. Wait. Oh my. Why am I not depositing my eggs? I'm stupid. I need more money. 5 more duckies. I want 1 more. Yes.
147.
What do you mean 147?
Yeah, multiplier. Oh, you can't see it.
Why? I want to see. I got a dirt. I got dirt. A dirt ducky. Dirt. 25 per egg. Oh my god. To reverse the 1 billion.
Yeah, I rebirthed for 1 billion.
Oh, diamond.
I had 50 billion.
Diamond.
And I rebirthed.
Diamond. 125.
75.
125. I deposit 175. I had more.
Oh,
Another one.
that.
Another one. 200. I want 250. Wow, 1,900 for 100 ducks. Deposit. Oh, another diamond. I want 250 again. Oh, gold. Gold. Gold digger. Woo!
Gold diggers.
Shut up. No, I deposit on the wrong.
When do you see the multiplier?
I don't even know. It's not even a multiplier.
I only have total 14 chickens. I have 1,100. 120. Soon.
Shut up.
Ooh.
More eggs. Yes, 650. How many do I have now? Bumblebee!
Bumblebee.
Shut up. 3 more. Oh.
Mine? Oh.
Doogie dooby doo da da. Oh, I can see it now! Finally! Oh, 114. Need more money. Money, money, money. 1, 2, 3. I get 2 dirt and 1 bee.
I have a goose.
Huh?
I have a dummy. And I have 2 mushrooms. I have a dirt. And I have a duck.
Stop spoiling!
I didn't
144!
spoil it all. I had 150 billion before. I remember. Oh, it's high multiplier.
Stop flexing.
Go.
Yeah, I know. I saw that. And I said it.
Out to click.
You did not buy that.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, good.
Do I even have enough? I do.
Lucky block! Ooh, 86 only! Mushroom dummy.
But
Dummy,
that-
dummy, dummy, dummy.
that's the-
Oh,
Ooh,
mushroom!
best one.
No, dummy is the best one. Another
That's the
one.
best one.
Dummy, dummy, dummy. Another bee. You're a dummy.
No.
I'm a dummy. Oh, one. No! I put it. Oh, another one.
It dropped
Dummy,
to
dummy, dummy.
0.62.
No. 2 mushroom. 300 per egg. Another one. Dummy. Mushroom. I have a dummy now. What the? What?
What?
Poor egg.
Can you even call?
Oh. 0.5.
0. You serious? I need to put in eggs.
Blue lucky block.
I got a red lucky
60,000.
block, 3.48 million.
60,000. Ooh. Like and join the group first.
For 1 million?
Oh, I know why it's called dummy now. Bro, look at the egg. Bro, stop doing that whole egg. Bro, stupid.
Bro, really is a dummy.
Yeah.
Or his kids are, at least.
More money. More duckies. Bam. Bumblebee. Bro, can it be a good multiplier? I don't even care. I don't even care.
I need to put in my eggs.
Just put it in. Just put it in
I
now.
get minus.
I did. You get mine. I got the minus 60 eggs.
I will get minus 100,000.
No, you will not.
No.
No.
Please. Yeah.
Another blue lucky block.
Should I wait?
Oh, I can
No.
hold it. My bumblebee. I want 60,000 to buy this lucky block.
It's not working. Wait for that. Wait.
What you do?
Oh, I just posted one lucky block and I deleted one lucky block. And then I got enough money to buy it.
Huh.
I hope I get another one.
Please. 60,790. Yes! Goose!
Goose!
I got the best one. No, the second best one. 44k for that one now! Nah. Bro, this game is scamming me.
Couscous.
There.
What?
Ooh, normal lucky block.
Oh.
More. More.
A basic lucky block could be worth it, no? Because I got a stupid
Okay.
key.
I discarded my lucky block. I don't know why. I didn't want
I
to.
need to get 2
But
ducks, 1 goose,
bang,
I'll dispose of my eggs again and hope for the best.
and that's buying more egg multipliers. I don't know what it's called. I don't want to claim my lucky block
Why?
because I don't have enough. It's
yeah,
like,
and it will cover your whole freaking screen.
yeah, that's why. What the hell is that? Is that goose? Bro, why am I only getting golden goose eggs?
Yes, I got another red lucky block. Sweet.
How much do No! I picked up the
Oh,
freaking...
134.
Wait! Oh my god, I'm so close. Please. Yes!
Okay, I opened the red. Let's see what I get.
Villager!
Yes.
Villager is 5% for me.
Now I need a goose. And then I will get a
Okay, one villager. Dummy! No, I don't want dummy.
villager.
I'm not a dummy.
Dummy. Oh my. Wait,
I have 1,000 chickens. Chicken wing.
I
Chicken.
need just one more dummy. Then I will get. It will get fried if I get one more dummy. Please, dummy or goose. Dummy. Okay. So now I can merge, and I got a fat. Then fried. Okay. I have a fat chicken.
Guys, will you be mad if I buy autocollect?
I want to buy 2x.
Or autocollect here?
I want to buy 2x cash.
Do it. If you want to. Guys, will you be mad if I buy autocollect? Okay, sorry.
Oh, the eggs.
Yeah. Okay, I need to collect all of this now.
Bro, that wasn't even worth. Yeah, okay. Yeah. No.
Bro.
That wasn't even worth it.
That was worth it. Look.
It wasn't actually. If you wait, it will be worth it. It takes quite a long time to do. Oh, wait, I hadn't upgraded my per second.
Bro.
Oh my.
Not me either.
I had 1,000 per second.
Me too. Bro, I have
40,000.
100,000 eggs here.
100,000? Wait, that's quite little actually. I have more.
Ooh, I can claim 100,000.
Wait, no.
Why do I have so many lucky blocks?
But it doesn't collect the lucky blocks.
Yeah, of course
Wait,
it's
that's
not.
good. Because then you can.
I got another bee. I'm a bumblebee.
I'm a bumblebee who likes to eat KFC.
I want If I get dummy, I will get a goose, and if I get a goose, I will get a villager. If I get a villager, I don't even know. Villager, please.
Wait, if you get a dummy,
Okay, goose.
You will get a
Villager! What did the villager give me? A villager house. Oh! What? How did I know that?
What did you
50k for it!
Wait, the next rebirth 450 billion.
142x. 142x.
Hey, the next rebirth for 150 billion is 15x cash.
Oh my. Mine is only 1 billion. I haven't rebirthed yet because I'm new to this game. Oh my god, I need to buy more.
But rebirth is also new to this game.
No, it's on. It has been here for like 5 weeks.
No.
Yes, it has.
Wait, maybe it has. Wait, I haven't played this game in like a month.
Yeah, exactly.
I have a lot to spend on, so I'm gonna see.
Okay, it's
Get
good.
10,000 freaking chickens. So
I'm gonna buy 100 chickens. Just need to wait.
upgrade to buy duck, please, please, please.
Ducky. 1.44 again.
Come on. Yes.
Put it in.
Bar.
Okay, 100 more chickens. Bam.
Now I
Ooh.
can buy 100 ducks.
Huh?
It's when when you get 10,000.
Oh, you have 10,000.
So,
Okay, you know what? I'm buying more lucky blocks.
so now I have 2.
Dummy! Yes, I got the dummy.
Okay, I
Bam.
got the red lucky. Oh, it's 1.5.
Another dummy.
It's 1.5 egg multiplier.
Is it? Oh my god. Put it in. Claim more money. Claim more money, money,
I need
money.
to put more. No, 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 no. Don't go away. Oh,
It's not going away. Are you blind?
I didn't look. And I thought it was going away.
Oh my god, it's going away. Put it in. Put.
Put it in.
Oh my god, again. 141.
140.
That's good.
I'm opening my red lucky block and I got a villager, so I'm
Oh, I got.
too fast.
Oh my god, that's expensive.
I have opened 3 of those.
But you have 10,000.
I
Go.
have money.
You have more money
I
than me.
have money. Money. Cash. Dollars.
Oh my god. 1.22, yeah, why not?
Okay, I'm gonna open another.
Yeah, no, okay, I discarded it. I don't want it. Bumblebee. Another normal one.
Able to buy it now.
Another bee.
And hope I get a villager. Oh, a fan! I got the best one! And now I can get a fried.
Oh my god, you actually need autocollect.
No,
Yes,
no.
I can gift it to you. If you want.
Seriously?
I don't know if I
Wait,
can.
you?
I want to.
No, you can't.
I want to. I want to do that. Wait,
Oh yeah, you can.
wait, if I go into your... Can I buy it for you? No, I want to buy it for you. My net worth is 1.58.
1.48. It's almost full egg multiplier.
Oh my god.
I need to. Lucky block and open and done.
I want to get more.
Seriously.
I want more blue lucky blocks.
Okay, should I wait until I get 30,000 total chickens? Or 1.5. 1.5.
Huh? Oh. I'm going to deposit.
Okay, so
Deposit all of my money. No eggs, I mean. I mean eggs.
it will take forever.
Wait, how much is that? Oh, hell no, hell no.
Let me just.
1.4 now.
Why are they so good now? The multipliers. 1.4. 1.4. 1.4. 1.4. 1.4. 1.4. 1.4. 1.4. 1.4. 1.4. 1.4. 1.4. 1.4. 1.4. 1.4. 1.4. 1.4. 1.4. 1.4. 1.4. 1.4. 1.4. 1.4. 1.4. 1.4. 1.4. 1.4. 1.4. 1.4. 1.4. 1.4. 1.4. 1.4. 1.4. 1.4. 1.4. 1.4. 1.4. 1.4. 1.4. 1.4. 1.4. 1.4. 1.4. 1.4. 1.4. 1.4. 1.4. 1.4. 1.4. 1.4. 1.4. 1.4. 1.4. 1.4. 1.4. 1.4. 1.4. 1.4. 1.4. 1.4. 1.4. 1.4. 1.4. 1.4. 1.4. 1.4. 1.4. 1.4. 1.4. 1.
Guys, I'm gonna buy 2x cash.
I bought that too.
I'm gonna buy it. And I'm buying 4x cash.
4x.
Sorry, bro.
You're gonna be better than me.
Oh my.
You should.
Yeah, blue.
You should have waited till you had one rebirth.
Why?
Because it would go up to 20x then.
But it's still it's gonna be 4x times 5 when I rebirth. It's still there, bro.
1.5 again.
Bro, what? How? Dummy. Oh, goose. Yes. Another villager.
I need to.
How much is it for? 5.8. Yeah, I can do that. I can totally do that.
If I buy more ducks, and then I almost have enough to buy.
Wait, how much is it for the autocollect?
Where?
How much is it for autocollect for eggs?
80.
80.
Yeah, for me.
Oh, 79.
Yeah, 80.
You know what?
What?
Wait, can't I? If I go to buy Robux, can't I? Yeah. Oh, wait. What happened? Can't I send? Oh, I need to open Roblox. Wait. I'm gonna be kicked. No. I want to buy this. Please. No. Put that in. Oh, blue lucky blocks too. Okay, I'm gonna buy my first red lucky block now.
I don't need autocorrect.
But I want. Oh, villager. Yes. Yeah. Oh, I got fat now. I got a fat boy now.
Pride and I got a fat and I got a villager. Now I got 2 villagers.
Dummy.
Okay, 150 mil
Dummy.
for dirt.
100 more money. Chicken wings. Fat is giving me burgers.
Yeah, I know. How does chicken hatch from burgers?
Yeah,
I will
true.
eat them. I don't even need to cook them.
Wait.
What?
How much was it?
80? Or 79?
There you go. What? No. No! Damn it! Wait. No. No. I wanted to give you. No. Stupid Roblox. Frick you. Huh. Wait, guys, let me just see. Wait. Oh. Wait. Am I recording? Yeah. Oh. Sorry, guys, sorry. I just want to see if I was recording.
Why would you not be? We ever recorded a whole video?
Well, it was a, I don't know, voice crack. It was like
we should speak British English in our next video. We're gonna sound like
no, we're not.
Party.
Like it was a. Oh my god. I can't speak English.
3 million waiting for me to deposit.
Yeah, I have 1 million.
Because it's too low.
Yeah.
Let's go up, go up, go up,
Go up?
up, up.
Bro.
Okay,
Okay, finally! 1 billion money! Okay, fine, I can... What do you mean 150 billion?
it says that, but rebirth and it's...
Yes! Finally, I have 35 times more money! Okay,
How long have you been playing for?
I don't even know. Like 500 quadrillion hours. 1 hour and 4 minutes. Okay, yeah, that was all for today, guys. Let's go. Oh my god, my friend has 433,000 chickens. How much do they have for network? 240 billion, oh my god.
Spit on me.
Yeah, I know, I'm gonna spit on you. Yeah, but that was all for today. Yeah.
1.5. 1.5.
What?
1.5.
I can't even see it again. I can't even see. Yeah, but bye, guys. Everybody knows I'm the thick of it. Yeah.